Hey everyone, Sophia here for my great challenge. I have something really cool to show you today, and there's also a giveaway, so stick around. I'm going to talk about the Xsense dual smoke and carbon monoxide interlink monitors for your home. Okay, so this company, Xsense, sent me a box of 3 interlinked smoke and carbon monoxide monitors, and I have another box to give you as a giveaway that has 3 interlinked monitors as well. If you wanted to buy more, you can. They come in pack of 3 or pack of 6. Some of them even have remotes to make it easier to turn off the alarm if it ever goes off. So this is really cool. Basically, interlink means that one monitor will speak to the other. So if you have a very large home, for instance, 4 floors or farmhouse style, you know what I mean. What happens is that if one of the alarms goes off on one monitor, the alarm will go off on all monitors. So if you're far away from the area where there is, for instance, the beginning of a fire with smoke, or the area where there's carbon monoxide, it will let you know right away because they are interlinked. So it's not like you have carbon monoxide in the basement that is starting to get really heavy and in dangerous levels, and you're up on the 4th floor, the 3rd floor, and you have no clue that there's carbon monoxide going on because you can't hear your carbon monoxide alarm that is in your basement. So I'm going to open the box and show you what's inside and what you get when you purchase this HomeSense carbon monoxide smoke alarm. And by the way, if you are wondering of the price, this is $91 for the pack of 3. So when you open it, you get 1 monitor, 2 monitors, and a 3rd monitor, and then you get the plates that will go either on your wall or on your ceiling to attach them, and you get the screws and anchors that go with it. This particular pack doesn't come with the remote control, just letting you know, and then you get the instructions. So one of the interesting things that I found in the instruction manual, and I thought that was really neat, was actually this area here that tells you the levels of carbon monoxide, part per million, and the symptoms. So I'm going to read this to you real quick so you get an idea of how dangerous carbon monoxide can be. So if the part is 1 million, and by the way, the monitor will tell you what parts you have. It will tell you 0, 50, 80, hopefully never 800. But if you have 100 part per million of carbon monoxide in your environment, you will start having slight headache, nausea, fatigue, or flu-like symptoms. If it reaches 200 parts per million, you will have dizziness, headache within 2 or 3 hours. At 400 parts per million, you'll get nausea, frontal headache, drowsiness, confusion, and rapid heart rate, risk to life after 3 hours of exposure. So this is why it's important to have an alarm that will connect with the one that is far away from it, because if you have, I don't know, let's say animals sleeping in one area of your house and it reaches 400 part per million overnight, that's more than 3 hours. Your animals are being exposed to very high level and you would have no idea because you're on the 3rd floor. If you have 800 parts per million, severe headaches, convulsions, vital organs failure, and death possible within 2 to 3 hours. So this is very important. You should all have not just a fire alarm, but a carbon monoxide alarm in your house. And my understanding when you do home inspections, that there has to be a carbon monoxide alarm in the house, in particular in the area where you may have a furnace, for instance, like me in my basement. So where am I going to put those? I have three. I'm going to put one in my basement, one on this floor, and one on the third floor. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to be able to hear the alarm when I'm in bed at night if there's something going on in the basement. And why am I not putting it on the second floor? Because I already have one on the second floor that is connected to my regular burglar alarm that is also a carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. So we are covered on every floor in this house. So let me show you how it works, how to install it, how to pair it, and then I'll tell you everything you need to do in order to get entered in the giveaway. So when you unpack, you're going to get your alarm unit, and this has a 10-year battery life, a lithium battery that is not replaceable. So you basically have to replace those after 10 years. So what you need to do is turn it on, and once it's on and you put it on the base, either on the wall or ceiling, you cannot turn it off anymore because the button is all the way in the back over here. You'll see that. So the first thing you do is turn it on, and it's going to make noise, so bear with me. It's just doing its little processing. I don't know if you can see the little marching ants going on here. Okay, here we go. And I am at 0. I hope you can see that, carbon monoxide. So you do want to test it first, and the best way to do that is just to press the test button right here. It's going to ring 3 times twice. So it's going to go beep, 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 and then it's going to reset itself. Okay, and it's reading again. All right, marching ants again. It's reading. There we go. Pass, meaning that no carbon monoxide and no smoke. So once you have that and you've tested it, you may want to remove the little tab that's right here that protects the screen. All you have to do is go ahead and install it, but I have to show you how to pair them. So to pair your alarms, you need to have 2. You can't do 3 at a time. You need to do 2 at a time. You need to let the alarms know which one is the main alarm, and for me that's going to be the basement one, and which one is the second one. So this is going to be basement, and this is going to be dining room. And what I'm going to do is take a Sharpie, and on the side right here I'm going to write installation date and the room. So this is going to be the basement. I'm going to put 8/7/22, and I'm going to put basement next to it. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing here. 8/7/22, and this is going to be, dining room. So I'm going to show you how to interconnect them. So you want to quickly press the test button on one of the 2 units 4 times. Okay, this one right here. It will beep once and the LED will flash red, which is this little bar right here, slowly indicating it has entered pairing mode and is waiting for a new unit to be added. Then you quickly press the test silence button on the other one twice, and it will beep once and the LED will flash red rapidly, indicating that it is searching for the device to connect to. After the search is successful and an interconnected group is created, both units will beep once and automatically exit the interconnection mode. At this point, both units will only flash once 60 seconds, indicating they are normal standby mode. Okay, so let's try this out. We're going to do, this one is the basement, so that's my primary unit. I'm going to press this 4 times. It's going to beep once, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to press this twice. And it is in search mode. There we go. You saw it in green. So now they are both paired. So what I'm going to do is now pair the one that's in the dining room, which is this one, and I'm going to pair it with the one that's going to go in my bedroom. So in the back here, there's a little button that says on, off, and disable. If you want to disable it, that's pretty much when the battery is dead. What you have to do is remove the whole sticker here, and it will allow you to push that button further onto the disable section. And there's also a little bit of a tab here that you put a screwdriver in, and then you just flip it to disable. So I'm going to turn it on. There we go, it's on. And remember, I'm pairing this one to this one. So what I want to do first is test it. I'm going to wait for these buttons and the marching ants, and I'm at 0. So let's test it. It's going to be loud. All right, so I'm going to remove my little plastic tab. Okay, pass. So I'm good. So I'm going to pair this one with this one. So if this one rings, it will make this one rings, which will make this one ring. 722, and this is going to be master bedroom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And I just got the green light. I'm good to go. 0 on carbon monoxide. Did you see the green light here? So they all interconnected. So again, if this one that's in the basement sounds the alarm that I have a dangerous level of carbon monoxide, it will beep. But if I'm on the 3rd floor, I may not hear it. So the one in the dining room will ring, letting everybody know. And then this one will ring as well in the bedroom in case we are upstairs and it's nighttime. So now I'm just going to go ahead and install them. So this is my old alarm system, which was right here in the dining room. I just took it down, and this is the kind that has the battery, and you know those can be really annoying when the battery is out. They just keep beeping. So you can see the difference in size between the two units. This is a standard, I can't even remember who makes those, CEDAR ionization smoke alarm model, whatever. All right, so this is no good. I'm gonna take out the battery here. There we go. And I'm going to install this one instead. And clearly it is not the same size, so I have to remove the old bracket and put the new one instead. They're really easy to install. All right. All right, so it's installed. It's not aesthetically pleasing, but it's installed. It's a big unit, but you know what? If you want to be safe, let's just put it this way, safety is never convenient or practical. So there you go. So we installed one. We're going to install the other two. I don't need to show you that. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to install. So again, these are the Xsense smoke and carbon monoxide interconnected alarms. And I have a box of 3, the exact same box that I opened, that is up for a giveaway. So what do you need to do for the giveaway? I'm assuming that this can be international, right? Because it's batteries, it doesn't require any kind of specific current. So all you have to do is comment down below. Let me know that you want to be entered in the giveaway. It's going to last for 1 week. Today is Friday the 12th. I'm going to give you 1 week to comment down below and let me know that you want to be entered in the giveaway. I will announce the giveaway on this channel on Friday the 19th. There's going to be only one winner for 1 box of 3 Xsense smoke and carbon monoxide monitor. Good luck to everyone who's going to enter. Safety in your home should be your #1 priority, in particular if you have kids and if you have pets. You do not want to put yourself in a position where it was too late. You know what I mean? So I'll talk to you later. Thank you for watching, and thank you Xsense for sending me these. I really needed to replace my old smoke alarm, and I'm very happy to have these. And just as a reminder, they are battery operated, but the battery is lithium, and they are guaranteed for 10 full years. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey, it's me, and guess what? Click that thumbs up if you really like this video. Thumbs down twice if you didn't. You can also share my video if you really liked it, or save it to watch later. Also, you can subscribe to my channel, but don't forget to click that bell button so you are always notified when I post a new video. Thank you for watching.